Hi, welcome back. So, today we are going to learn about how to practice Kundalini breathing. So, before we learn the technique, let us basically understand what is Kundalini. So, to give it in a short and sweet way, like Kundalini is a manifestation of the cosmic energy which is maintaining the life within each and every organism. So you may ask me, what is cosmic energy? Cosmic energy is the energy that creates, maintains, and destroys this vast cosmos consisting of metaverses, galaxies, nebula, and various other black holes and other things. So, Kundalini is actually a transformed form of cosmic energy which is maintaining the life. It is also referred to as prana or the life force which resides within each and every organism or animal or anything. So in humans or in any animal or an organism, particularly for mammals, those who have a vertebral column, it resides in Muladhara chakra. For humans it is just below the spine region, which we call the Muladhara chakras, and also there are totally 7 chakras, and 6 of them are within our body, and the 7th one is actually an energy layer that connects us to the vast cosmos. So this is about Kundalini. So coming to the breathing technique, so basically see, as I previously mentioned, like Kundalini resides below the spine region, that Kundalini actually exists. So Kundalini breathing is a simple technique. Basically, see, one thing, we inhale, exhale, we unconsciously we will be breathing throughout the day. But Kundalini breathing, whenever you inhale, just like this, you have to exhale it completely, empty of the lungs. So when you exhale and completely empty of the lungs, you are actually putting force on this force which is behind the spine, below the spine region. You can experience that. If you exhale, there is a little bit of pressure put on the below the spine region where exactly the Kundalini is there. So it doesn't mean Kundalini isn't there now or anywhere. It is actually there in each and every cell of the body, but the physical presence, or what we call the main energy presence, is below the spine. It is actually rising as of now as we breathe in and breathe out, but we need to activate it. It have to actualize that energy up to the full extent, which happens by providing abundant supply of cosmic energy, and also through pranayamas, what we told, the Kundalini pranayama, which we do this, like as we empty off the lungs, they are actually activating the chakras and also actualizing the complete Kundalini potential within our body. So, the benefits of Kundalini breathing are, it actually completely reduces the carbon dioxide content in our body. It maintains the oxygen level. It purifies each and every, it actually enhances the blood purification process. If you have any sort of breathing disorders like cold or asthma, it is very, very beneficial to it. Apart from this, it has got n number of benefits, that it activates the chakras and it provides, as we focus, basically, since the pressure is putting upon, it assists in activating and actualizing the complete Kundalini energy within our body. So there are a lot of other things. So for now, we will be stopping here. So you can do this technique wherever you are, whenever you are, even when you are doing your work or anything, any sort of mundane task, you can do it. Only thing is that you have to exhale, completely empty of the lungs, and take fresh air, so that your lungs will be completely it will be energized by abundant flow of oxygen. There are different techniques about this kundalini, although it can be supported as in Ashtanga yogas. No, we will separately make a video on Ashtanga yoga, what are the things that are there and what are the actual meanings. There are different deeper meanings of each and every anga or the elements of the Ashtanga yoga. But there is a very wonderful technique called the kundalini breathwork session. It is basically a sort of kundalini breathwork session where we teach you another form of kundalini pranayama, which will be very very useful to activate the kundalini within our body. And even the it's a very wonderful technique to burn off karmas. So it is said that there are different layers of karma within us, as we are born, and then again we have attained different incarnations and forms. So because of that we have different karmic layers. So these karmic layers can be burnt off. We need to burn our karmas through performing good deeds or meditation, pranayama, and other things as well. But this kundalini breath work, through exhaling off, we actually burn off all the karmic layers. So we will be becoming pure by burning off all the karmic layers. So actually we are offering it for a very low fee. So if you, the contact details are provided within the description, please contact us if you want to have a session. So basically, see, one thing what we see is that this yogic techniques, as we see, that it has become a completely a sort of scam, because it is very very costly. Because personally, how we learned is that we paid thousands of rupees for it's wonderful, it's very very valuable, but unfortunately it's all reserved to somewhat rich people or well off people. Unfortunately, our society needs these services. It has to be affordable, and we take an oath that we have to make those services to each and every section of the society, because now what we see is that health problems are increasing at a alarming rate. And if we are able to reach out to more people, then definitely it's a big service to the society, and also we are serving the divinity within us. So if you are really interested in it, there is an email ID and a phone number that you can contact us for a session. We do it both online as well as with a physical presence as well. So yeah, so for more information, please contact us. This is it. So Kundalini breathing is a very important technique. We do that. So for more yogic techniques and more motivational and inspirational content, stay tuned to our channel. Get inspired spiritually. Also, if you like this video and if you like the content, please like and subscribe this channel. Subscribe to this channel and get more videos and knowledge on that. So yeah, thank you so much.